Alright guys, so we came from Paris and we are now heading to Zurich, Switzerland. Right now we are in Strasburgh, France, Strasburgh station, and our second destination would be going to Bassel, Switzerland. And from Bassel we're going to Zurich. The one thing it's good about traveling to Europe is the train station. It's all very reliable. Okay. Well,
we are now leaving from Strasburgh, going to Bassel, Switzerland. Our final destination is Zurich, Switzerland. We traveled from Paris through a train.
Okay, right now, so this is the train that we are riding. So
it's so comfy.
First time that we ride this kind of train. I usually watch this on a movie and all the stuff. So
except when we were in the Universal Studio Harry Potter
tour. Yes. Yep.
Universal? Oh, sorry, I think it's Disney.
Disney, yeah.
Like a cubicle.
A room. And it's just a tour bus, but probably there are some people coming in because there's like 5 more stations.
Yeah.
Before our final destination.
And this one received the Guinness World of Record for the oldest vegetarian restaurant, and it is here in Zurich, Switzerland. So you have to grab a plate, disposable, or the porcelain one. Then you fill out how much you have, and then they weigh it. Then you pay. Then you get your drink and sit wherever you want. So it's not like a buffet. Eat all you want. It's weigh.
Get what you can.
Weigh and pay. I wanna ride that. We are here in the Niedendorf, the old town in Zurich. And this is along the river where the water is clear. You'll see people relaxing, chilling by the river, along the restaurants, and people on the bike. It's just bike. It's just a beautiful city, more relaxed and quiet.
Inumin mo yan, ah. Tingnan natin kung aabot ka sa bahay. So apparently here in Zurich, they have a public fountain that you can drink. They said, if you have a strong stomach.
No, it's
We'll see.
wala akong lasa.
Siyempre tubig eh.
Another thing that you can do here in Zurich is do the river cruise. And we highly recommend for you to get the travel pass. There's the travel pass, which includes all the bus transportations, and there are even selected routes and trams. So this one is included, which is the short lake cruise. And you can even take the mini lake cruise. And it's unlimited.
We have been cruising for an hour now already, and this short lake cruise is an hour and a half. We actually finished
middle of the lake and then going back around and then stops a couple of times. So the next that we're going to do is we're gonna go down to the one of the ports and we're gonna visit the Lind factory, the home of the chocolates of Lind.